I'd have been pregnant the year before when we were here.
If you didn't roll her in flour,
You got a
you'd have
stripped
no shot,
pinion.
but you're right.
That sounds good.
That's what that noise is. I recognize it.
What is it?
It sound good at all.
It's a
That's
bad
just
pinion
sounded
here.
late about
That
less
just started happening. I mean, it wasn't happening before.
Bob, you need to have another drink.
I think I'm gonna party with my glasses.
What? This can't hurt you.
Oh, please.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, you're fucking.
Ryan slammed mine into me last year at full throttle and I barely felt it.
As long as it's
No
not
job.
in your face.
Oh, that would be the, watch out for the air conditioner.
Jonathan's gonna be hovering over himself trying to land on the
I just had to keep stirring them like martinis. Fabio. Bob is just terrified of helicopters.
And I like helicopter.
Bob, if you weren't flinching, he would be flying over there. He just likes to see a flinch.
Jerry.
I know.
Whack.
I'm going to tell you, Jonathan's the oldest 10-year-old I know.
I got a cure for this.
Yeah, there you go. Yes, you do. Here, see if you can land on Tom's stomach.
No.
You set it on the plate.
Or his package. Oh, sideways.
Batteries are not very charged,
Yeah.
obviously.